Welcome guys to Function Factor Performance, where giveaway number 3 is happening now. And we just did 2 giveaways that were highly successful, and I want to thank everyone that participated in those. And now we're amping up. We are taking things up a notch, and we're going to be giving away this 2015 to 2021 TURBONETICS NX2 drop-in turbocharger. And guess what? To help you guys get this bad boy in there or get it tuned, we're adding our own stimulus check and giving you $600 in pure cash right there. If you guys don't know what the NX2 turbocharger is, it is a direct drop-in unit for your Mustang EcoBoost that can make up to 520 wheel horsepower with the supporting mods. So I bet you guys are wondering, how do you win this turbocharger? And for some reason, I don't know why you don't make a lot of merchandise, but maybe this contest, giveaway, whatever you want to call it, is gonna help us out. So behind me are just a decent selection of hats. So guess what? All you guys gotta do is buy a hat, and we'll post this link here in this video and in the description below. So for every $5 that you guys spend, you get 1 entry. And guess what? You guys are able to buy more than 1 hat. So guys, if you don't participate, guess what? Someone else is gonna be walking away with that turbocharger and $600 in cold hard cash. So sign up now.